Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope you all my viewers are fine and doing well. Guys, in this collection you see the approximately ideas of Christmas candles. Christmas candles look so amazing, look so fantastic. The decoration is incomplete without candles, and candles is very necessary and candle is very important. Best and top latest ideas of Christmas candles easily available in different stores and online stores, so go and purchase and take a screenshot which one is best, which you like. And thank you so much guys to watch my video. Easy Craft Videos is one of the best platform, provide you the ideas of Christmas decor ideas, Christmas candles ideas. Thank you, appreciate to my YouTube channel. Candles look so amazing, and Christmas is a name of happiness. Create valuable things in your life. Happy New Year 2023 celebration are started now. Thank you to appreciate my YouTube channel, one of the best platform guys, and watch the video and like my video, to share my video with your family and friends. Top latest and top related ideas are available for you. Keep watching and stay with me with the Easy Craft Videos. No one is best, but Easy Craft Videos provide you the ideas of 2021, 2023, 2022. Celebration is very important. The celebration related to the decoration. Your guests feel very happy when you decor your home very stylish. I provide you the ideas of trees, ideas of candles holders, how to decor your table, how to decor your inside and outside home. Garland ideas look so fantastic, look so amazing. I provide you the ideas, so stay with me with the Easy Craft Videos. In this collection you see the approximately 70 plus ideas, and the 70 plus ideas means decor your home very beautiful. The ideas look so amazing, look so adorable. Keep watching and stay with me. And the candles look so amazing. Without candles the decoration is incomplete. Thank you, keep watching, stay with me with the Easy Craft Videos.